Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure both ends are ready. On the remote Windows PC, enable Remote Desktop and set a user with a password. This is required for authentication. On your MacBook Air, open the App Store, install Microsoft Remote Desktop, and apply any system updates to avoid compatibility issues. While doing that, write down the remote machine's IP or hostname and confirm port 3389 is open on the host firewall so your Mac can reach it. Once done, open Microsoft Remote Desktop and tap Add PC to create your connection profile. Enter the IP or hostname, then choose or add the user account to skip typing credentials each time. This speeds login and reduces errors. Configure display resolution and full screen preferences for smooth visuals, and enable clipboard or folder redirection only when you need file transfer between machines. If you're behind a corporate gateway, fill in gateway details now so authentication flows through securely. Now connect by double-clicking the saved PC entry. When prompted, verify the certificate and accept it only if it matches your remote host to prevent man-in-the-middle risks. Log in, then test keyboard, mouse, display scaling, and clipboard/file transfer to confirm session behavior. If the session fails to start, make sure the remote IP and port 3389 are reachable, confirm credentials, check VPN or gateway requirements, and restart the remote machine. Often a simple reboot or re-enable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.